Hey, it's Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So there are cases when you would like to create a PMAX campaign that is shopping only and nix the asset sets. And certain circumstances could be like if you are receiving a lot of click fraud, or you need to divide things up, or if you prefer to run your display, discovery, and video ads in separate campaigns, within those campaign types, then it may make sense to just run shopping only. So I'm going to show you today how you go about creating a shopping only PMAX campaign. And it's really a simple trick that most people just miss and get stuck. So I'm going to go through the campaign creation very quickly. So you're going to click on sales. You're going to accept the goals. You may need to refine this a bit. And then you're going to choose Performance Max, obviously. The feed should come up automatically if you only have one Merchant Center account. You may need to otherwise edit this. And then you're going to give it a campaign name. We're going to continue on. That's because there was one in draft already that popped up, but we'll just ignore it. And now we are under the bidding, so we can just leave this as is. And we're going to choose a location and language and next. And we're going to create asset group one. So this is where people get hung up. So basically, Google is essentially forcing you to create this asset group, and it fills in the final URL for you. And you get stuck here. And if you go past this screen, then you end up creating like an empty asset set that's still running. But basically, all you have to do is clear the pre-filled final URL, and now you can skip past this. You can just go straight to budget summary and finish up the campaign launch. So that's all there is to it. It's very straightforward, and I hope that helps you out. That's it for today.